Alright guys, nice seeing you again. Hey, we're going to try a slightly different video just for fun. This is going to be a vlog style video. Let's see how it works. See if you like it. I don't know if I'm going to like it either. Tomorrow, Portland is expecting a ton of snow. Thing I haven't done, and cold weather tonight, starting at about 5 o'clock, 24 degrees or so. What my plan is I have some bikes in here and trikes in here and scooters in here. Scooters always stay in the garage, by the way, but I got to bring all the batteries in here. So let me show you kind of what I got going. So if you come over to here, this is my school storage bin. I kind of keep a lot of the batteries, nothing there yet, but up in here. It's cool enough, warm enough, and dry enough. So what I gotta do is I gotta go outside in the barn and get all the batteries and possibly some bikes to keep in here over the weekend, probably through next weekend. I'm gonna take most of the batteries off, and we'll store those in here. This video is probably coming after this video, but this is where I'm at with MoonCool MC3. Second battery's on its way. Fenders and rack are on their way. And when they get here, we'll put this on. We'll finish up the review on this. But I have just tested it in the garage a little bit. Haven't gone outside because it's nasty. But what a bike. It sure looks fun. Hang on, I'll be back in a second. All right, let's go to the barn and bring this stuff in. It's about 37, 38 degrees right now, but it's supposed to drop into the 20s shortly. I'm gonna flip the camera around. All right, thought I was recording, but these don't have the batteries in them. The Rave, I just took the battery out, and I gotta get the key to the Troxus. And then this Magicycle doesn't have it in it. I gotta take it out on 1, 2. I'll bring the heybike in. One of the heybikes in. Anyway, I got a few to do. All right, we have half the herd out here, the other half in the garage. And it seemed like just a little bit, half hour, 20 minutes I've been out here, it got colder. Anyway, the important thing, if you're gonna sink into the 20s, maybe even low 30s, bring your batteries into a warmer spot. And we're making pizzas in the Ooni pizza maker. Oh, look at that side swell, man. That's crazy. So you don't use that little mover, huh?
Try not to.
You've gotten good at that.
Oh no.
That bad boy is done.
Yeah.
All right, guys, let me tell you where we're at. We're still doing the daily vlog video for today. That's what it looks like outside. So Friday, they expected 14 inches of snow. They reduced it down to 11.5. Yesterday, they said we had 10.2 inches of snow. It looks like we got more like 2 inches of snow, if that. Yeah, maybe 2 inches of snow. But I have to go get the mail. And I just wanted to come out here on the TK1 MoonCool cool ass trike. So that's what we're doing. Let's go for a little bit of a ride in the snow. So I'm going to run down, and it's cold. It was 16 degrees this morning. 15 was our low, and that is very cold for Oregon. And so, yeah, let's just get out on this a little bit and see. It doesn't feel that bad, just my face is cold. I got enough coverage on my body. I got three coats on in my t-shirt. And yeah, everybody was like, yeah, you're gonna have so much snow. I knew it, man. We never have that much snow. I don't have a helmet on because I'm just going down here. I'm on a trike and just out here trying to have a little bit of fun. This is all of 3 minutes maybe. And let's just see how this trike does. Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Here we are at the mailbox. Brakes really, really well, so that's a good thing. Recommend these mittens. They're not the warmest in the world, but they sure do an okay job. Yeah, so I hooked everything up just to come out and do this little bit of a ride here. Let's put it in PAS 3 now. No, 5. This goes to 5, doesn't it? Yeah, let's go to 5. Let's see what it does. Takes off, no problem. All right, we're gonna head back to the house. I'm gonna try to do a few donuts in the lot, and then we will go back in and I'll do a little bit of snow on another thing, and then we'll call it an afternoon. This is the Sunday. My Saturday portion of this video, or Friday night, will be that little Ooni pizza maker. Yeah, we were at David's and we had pizza. He made pizza for us all. It was pretty fantastic. Yeah, all right, so here we are. Yeah, 10 inches. Look right here, guys. Does that look like 10 inches to you? It doesn't to me. 10 inches of snow. That would have been the most I ever remember here. I remember one year we had 4 inches. No, it was probably 8 inches, 6 to 8 inches of snow, and that was a lot of snow. But this is not 10 inches of snow. And we live in the, what should be the snowier little part of the Portland metro area. And this ain't snow. Well, I mean, it's snow, but it ain't what you think, All right, here we go. Woo! It's got power to go around all this, but it don't have power to kick your rear end out a little bit. Yeah, a little bit, not much. Wonder if I can go fast and then come into it. Let's see. Yeah, I would say this is, 3 inches at best. 3 inches at best. And that's more than we usually get. Now you gotta lean into these or else you're gonna tip. Even on this bike, you'll tip, or trike, you'll tip. All right, fast as it'll go in the snow. At least this stuff. That's it, guys. Not much of an adventure for that. The trike does not want to mess up on you. And if you got the love of getting out in the snow and riding, this is the one to ride because it's much more stable. There's no bikes that's stable like this, that's for sure. Slow down, make that turn. I didn't go slow, but still made the turn. And there we go. Now we'll take this in and see where we go from here. Back brakes, totally locked up. There we go. All right, up the little bit of incline. And we are back at the house. Yeah, it's basically so cold, and they predicted so much that I I've got several packages supposed to be coming in. Yeah. Ups, FedEx, Amazon, none of them are delivering it. I've done the review, I just haven't released it yet. This is the MoonCool MC3 bike. Dual wheel drive, or all wheel drive is what they say. We're gonna put it on, let's see, let's just walk out here actually. I don't wanna mess anything up. So this is front wheel drive, and let's kind of watch it here. Front wheel drive. Yep, let's go to rear wheel drive. Drive, right there. Now we'll ride it. We'll ride it in all wheel drive, guys. Let's see, we still going here? I think we are. Yep, I think everything's still going. Now I'm not gonna go fast because if I fall, I don't have a helmet on. I'm trying to be a little cautious. But all wheel drive right there. It's got grip. I gotta lower the seat just a tad because I can't quite keep my feet on the ground. And that's my stabilizing position. Oh yeah, way better. There we go. Go down the back a little bit here. Like I said, guys, I'm not going far. I'm doing 13, 14 miles an hour. That's plenty fast. Especially in big boy falls. Not so afraid on the snow. Front wheel grips and dries, brings us to a stop pretty good, even in the snow. Now let's turn around. There we go. Let's see how. Oh, back one just brakes real fine. This is the cool thing about this bike. It's only 500 watts, but the amount of torque this thing has got 75 Newton meters on the front and 75 on the back, giving you 150 Newton meters of torque. Now, it don't give you a ton of speed, but you're compromised with all the torque you get, so it's kind of nice. Both, and it brakes just fine. Don't need to go faster than that in snow. That's why I'm really being cautious, guys. I'm not riding with my feet on the pedals at all. My feet are down the whole time, but I am not pulling my feet off. Now we'll go rear wheel drive and see if we can get a donut in here. Little bits of skiddy donuts, but not a full-on donut. It's not the greatest snow in the world. There we go. Not the greatest snow in the world for this. Right, back to dual wheel drive. Love it. That front wheel just powers on. Let's do it one more time and then we'll head in. All right, here we go. All right, and I'll hold it back. Oh, that's a good point to show you how much snow we got. Two inches, guys. 2 inches. It hasn't been hot enough to melt it, and it won't be till Wednesday. I think we're about 20 degrees. This should be our last froze day here in Oregon. You saw I rode the bike. You saw I rode the trike. The bike video, you noticed the sound was not correct. And a little bit of the trike video. It's because the sync of the camera with the video, the audio didn't sync exactly. I couldn't get it to sync exactly. But right now I'm going to see if I can go out and shovel a little bit of snow. So let's check in on that. Been at this a few minutes. It's pretty hard right now. I have other shovels, but I figured it was light snow. This would be pretty easy. There we go. Maybe not. I don't want to put it on my grass because I don't want to get snow damage. Now, if you have, man, I'm fat, I'm telling you that. But if you have heart disease or anything like that, take your time doing this. Don't do it crazy. It don't take much to kill yourself doing this stuff. Hey, Rip, you don't have to do this, do you? No. Blaine, you don't have to do this, do you? I don't think so. You know, I could bring my tractor out here and get all that, but I'm not. I'm just going to get this away so if people walk up with a package, they don't have to struggle coming up. See, that's where it gets worse. It gets worse right there because it turns into more ice. And again, just giving FedEx guy a little bit of a walk path. I don't get a lot of people coming to my front door. It's cold. Yeah, last year I had some damage spots in my yard, and they said it was snow damage. Like, I don't think so, but I'm going to keep it off this year best I can. Tomorrow is supposed to be sometime in the afternoon, in the 40s, high 30s, and this will go away. Yeah, I've had packages coming from FedEx for like 4 days now. Said it was out for delivery yesterday and ended up not coming. So my guess is it'll come today. Gonna level that out a little bit. Hopefully he'll pull up far enough. This is is the last run. Good enough. It's a bit cold out. All right, I got to clean up my garage. That's been out for 2 days too, so the garbage people didn't come. And I have another bike on the way, bike, trike, something. And I have the battery fender and rack for that coming. So looking forward to this getting here. I'll get all that in, and I think next week, by the end of the week, we'll have another decent day. No rain, upper 40s, and I can ride that and get that video out. And then there'll be another one coming as well. Yeah, just so I could tell you guys, MoonCool's been really good to me. And so has another brand, I think, that is sending a bike that's on its way. And I'll tell you about that one as well. And of course, Magicycle's always been good to me. Haven't seen much from them in a while, other than going to their Facebook page and whatnot. But yeah, it's a decent enough looking day, but God, it's cold. Let me tell you what the temperature is, just for grins. So today's snow, it'll be snow all the way through in the morning, and then it'll change over tomorrow. But the weather pattern's crappy till we get down here to Thursday. And if everything holds up, it'll be about 50 degrees on Thursday. And we'll go for a ride at 50. A decent ride rather than just around here, I believe. All right, guys. That's it for this vlog style video. I don't know when it'll go out. Hopefully it'll go out this week. I don't want to put it out much before I put the video for the MC3 MoonCool all-wheel drive bike out, though. So that's the holdup, guys. I'm not trying to hold it up, and I'm just a little out of sequence with it because of the ups backlog. Okay, guys, we'll catch you on the next episode. Peace. Have a great day.